Great Northern Train 195 005 off to Nottingham, Langley Mill, Ilkeston and Nottingham. And you've got a train coming in behind us in a minute, which will be going to Leeds, I believe. (195016) coming in. One out, one in, as I say. As Starmer says, one in, one out, yeah. More like 60,000 in and only two out. It's a bit chilly today as well. That wind's a bit chilly. Now this one's hanging about a bit for some reason. It's a strong wind and all that. It's too strong for drone weather flying. Too strong, yeah, for drone flying. Taking its time going out today, this one, isn't it? That's it, mate. Doors are all closed, yep. And they're off.